This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. Meta's leadership recently warned that we have roughly 20 months to rebuild the entire digital infrastructure for a world of autonomous agents. This is not a software update, it is a fundamental shift in how data is stored, moved, and trusted. Inside Meta, the old way of processing data in batches is dying. When an AI agent needs to reason about your current intent, a pipeline that takes 24 hours to run is useless. That is why they are moving to real-time streaming as the backbone of their recommendation systems, but the real bottleneck is GPU starvation. To fix this, Meta is building schema-aware storage that understands exactly what it holds. This allows them to pull only the specific data needed for a query, aiming for 500 million queries per second. It creates a flywheel. Better infrastructure enables better reasoning, and that reasoning creates new demands that push the hardware even further. This race for capability is leaving security in the dust. Take the recent memory heist on Claude. A researcher found that by using a fake Cloudflare turnstile and a series of nested links, he could trick the agent into leaking a user's full name. Then there is Cursor. For months, a simple flaw allowed anyone to execute arbitrary code just by placing a malicious file named git.exe. In a project root, both cases highlight a dangerous trend. We are granting this tool and secrets, but utility is not the same as trust. As the software struggles, the hardware market is fragmenting. We are seeing the rise of the accidental cloud. This happens when a company like Meta builds a massive GPU fleet for its own peak, finds it has excess capacity and decides to sell it. Even a sneaker company like Allbirds pivoted to selling GPU as a service to chase the AI multiple. For enterprises, this creates a sprawl problem. Every new supplier brings a different console and billing format. The winners will not be the companies that find the cheapest chip. They will be the ones that build an abstraction layer, so the supplier no longer matters. While the cloud fragments, the financial plumbing is consolidating on the Plyknock. The DTCC just processed its first live production trades. Using tokenized securities, this is a massive milestone because it uses digital twins of real assets, preserving all legal rights. At the same time, the Ethereum Foundation is undergoing its largest shakeup in 12 years. It is shrinking its budget and shifting from being the primary builder to a long-term steward. Blockchain is moving from experimental labs into the core of Wall Street and global governance. From the physical layout of GPU clusters to the legal structure of the Ethereum Foundation, the pattern is the same. We are moving away from the experimental phase of AI and Plyknock and into an industrial era. The focus is shifting from the magic of the model to the reliability of the plumbing. If the infrastructure and security cannot keep up with the reasoning capabilities, the whole system. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.